Good morning, friends. I welcome you all to the new video where we are going to discuss one of the major player in the cigarettes industry and has been in the limelight for the last few sessions, where the stock has uplifted or showed the uptrend with the 23%. Before I proceed to the video, I would request everyone to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification. I'm talking about none other than the VST Industries, which are right now a small cap company with a market cap of 6,000 crores. Before I move to the further video, I would like to tell my subscribers or viewers that I am going to segregate this video in four sections right now. First, I'm going to talk about the businesses VST does so that everyone become clear what they are doing now and what they will be doing in the future. Second, I'm going to talk about the numbers of the VST industries, the business they are doing in terms of the numbers. That is market cap, current price, book numbers, and all those. And we will have a detailed discussion on this, whether this company look lucrative for the point perspective of investment or trading. The third thing I'm going to talk about the highlighted news that has given a surge of 3% in the last few trading session. And the fourth one and the last one will be the chart pattern, what the chart is saying in terms of the movement and the prices. Let's start with the very first session or the first part of the video, that is business. So VST Industries mainly or primarily work in the tobacco manufacture and distribution. VST Industry work under the name of Wazir Sultan Tobacco Company Limited that was incorporated in 1930. It not only supply its product to the global level but also hold 90% 10% of the overall Indian market, resulting in the third largest player in the cigarette industry within the India or domestic market. The brand or the brand portfolio consists of about five major uh, products, that is your total addition, charm, special, and moments. In 2023, they have launched few new variants, that is total royal twist, total active mint, and total refresh, that has resulted or positive revenue surge can be seen in the last few of the trading quarters and trading years as well, that we will be seeing further in the second part of the video, that is talking about the numbers of the company. As I talk about the company not only work within the India but also export outside the India with a total percentage of 10, the company is selling their product outside the India. Currently, the company has two factories and six regional offices with a total consumption of tobacco stands today 4,955 tons. Not only this, the company also have a collaborative and strategic connection with the business with the company British American Tobacco Limited, which hold 32% stake within the company. This is the total about the company. If I have to summarize, VST work in tobacco industry. It has two factories and six regional office. The consumption of raw material is 4,955 tons. Not only this, it has introduced new products, making the more diversification within the portfolio. And the fifth one and the last one is the company holds 10% of the domestic market cap, making it the third largest player in this particular industry. Moving with the numbers, we already know that VST industry is the small cap with the 6,000 crore market cap, with the current value of each share hold standing at 3,925. That is hitting towards the high it formed in the few in the back session of value 4,328. The stock PE is 21.5, but when we look at the EPS, that is earning per share, is 183. That means right now this PE is very low as compared to EPC, giving it a leverage or the deficit and leaving us an opportunity of upside trend and giving us profit. But that is something we need to back up with other parameters as well. The other parameters like ROC is 38%, ROE 29%. That is really good numbers when we talk about the cigarette industries. Now the company is also well known for its dividend paying with a dividend yield of 3.82%, and right now there is no split seen so far in the company's stock. That's why the face value stands now still at rupees 10. When I talk about the quarter on quarter numbers, or when I talk about the year on year basis numbers, you will see the company has seen a surge in the sales and increase in the numbers quarter on quarter basis. For example, 287, then 278, 275, then 329, 308, 303, 346. So if you look the quarter on quarter basis, the company has added the numbers in the revenues, plus the net profit has been always in double digit. Only the concern is the last few of the sessions the number has delved down, in spite the number in the sales has incremented. Moving with the year-on-year basis numbers, again the company has shown a positive trend in this total sales, but the net profit has seen a bit decline in the last few years, few quarters. But overall trend has been positive, as the net profit has been raised from 143 crores from March 2012 to 327 crores in March 2023. When I talk about the reserve, the company is a enrich cash driven company. It have 1093 crores sitting in their sitting as acting as a reserve for them. Since the company is cash enriched company, the cash flow that is generating from its business can be seen in triple digit as well as in the positive, making it a well known cash machine. Moving with the last parameter that I really want to talk is about the shareholding patterns. The promoters right now holds 32% of the complete stake in the company, whereas the FIS and DIS is at 17%. Public is standing as 50%, where the major stakeholders by the Sprite Star Investment Limited with 25.95%. That shows the public remains the public with less than 20%. But this number become a lot change, because in the recent quarter the company has shown a shift in the overall uh, pattern, the shareholding pattern, where a well-known investor Radhakishan Damani has increased his stake to 35.84% in the VST Industries, making it one of the largest stakeholders, even higher than the company's promoter itself, who stands at the 32.16% of total stake in the company. Now, moving with the last session of the part, that is the VSC Industries chart pattern. What chart says? If you look at this chart carefully, you will observe that it is moving upside a trend with making consolidation and upside. And the consolidation can be seen for multi years consolidation, especially if you can look from 2012, around 12 to 2016. That is clearly 4 years of consolidation in this box can be seen. But once this was broken, when the consolidation is broken, we can see an upside trend of maximum value of 100% upside. But right now, the second box that has been consolidating from 2017 can be observed from here. 2017 to 2004, the company has been consolidating for the last 7 years, making it one of the potential breakout from this current trend, especially after. Especially after the news of investor Radhakishan Damani's investment, or the investment and the up stake to 35.83% in the company, has shown a positive impact, resulting in the week high of more than 20%. Right now, what my stand on this one? This is at the level where it can show a breakout and go up and up. But right now, I will wait for it to fall here, because once it shows a growth, it will surely retest these numbers, and then only I will take a entry. What kind of people should make an entry here? The people who have the vision for long term, waiting for a good result for a long term, and want to diversify their portfolio. I think this stock stands for those kind of a people. With this, I will wrap my video. Hope you love this video. Please uh, subscribe my our YouTube channel, that is that is your Stock English, and hit the bell notification for further notification whenever we upload our video. With this, take care. Bye.